So that is signed here in the BICAM. That will be ratified tonight in the plenary. We will ratify the budget on Wednesday, and the President will sign it into law. That is as good as gold. So I just wanted to allay any fears that there was anything other than what we had committed in some balance to you and to the troops. Mabuhay, 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 mabuhay.
Maraming salamat po, sir. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat, sir.
We look forward to our fellowship on the 13th, Aguinaldo.
Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Mabuhay. Merry Christmas to all. Thank you, thank you.
Merry Christmas, sir.
Thank you, thank you.
Maganda sa mga sundalo, sir.
Yes.
Thank you.
More will be coming. We'll be looking for more ways to support the troops. Assure them.
Yes, sir.
We assure them more for next year as well. Thank you, thank you.
Yes, sir. Salamat po. Salamat.
Thank you.
Sir, salamat. Thank you.
Thank you.